She's at the other one. She's down the hall, yeah.
How is it?
All right. Good afternoon, good people. Good afternoon. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's having a great day. Again, my name is Anthony Stewart. I'm here at the national headquarters of the American Classic Agency, where I've been for the last 27 years. Can you believe that? 27 years with this organization. It is probably one of the best decisions I've ever made. So ACA has the solutions, right? And we're going to talk about that today. ACA has the solutions to your financial needs, right? We have it all, everything that you could possibly need to be successful in business here at American Classic Agency. And more people are getting involved in the financial service business. It's a booming business. It's recession proof. It ain't going nowhere, and ACA ain't going nowhere. So we're here. Hey Maria, how you doing? Maria Miami, our longest tenured employee of American Classic Agency. And still going strong, by the way. But anyway, these last 2 weeks I've had to mix stuff around because of my schedule, and I normally do this on Tuesdays. But next week I will be back to Tuesday. So just so you know, I'll be back Tuesday at 5 o'clock for my Live at 5 session. But today's topic is pretty straightforward. You know, last week I had some partners that were in town. If you watched last week, Pam Percival was here on her birthday, and Kalinda Anglin. We are coming up off of our second annual leadership summit, where we had our leaders come in town from all across the country, and we're talking about planning what we're going to do to serve our community in 2024. And we had a great conference, rather, and so people are excited, and we're going to deliver that promise of the 1.5 billion of future tax-free transferable wealth. So let me go ahead and dig into my topic today. ACA has a solution for everything that you need in financial services. So I'm just going to go down the list of everything that we do here, and because sometimes people don't really know. You know, they kind of think they know, but you know, and I'll talk about some of the new stuff we've added. But we are on a mission to put 1.5 billion of future tax-free transferable wealth right back into our communities. So when you think about everything, I mean, right now we just introduced the pre-need part of the industry, where we can cover people from ages 0 to 100, regardless of your health. You know, everybody's going to die one day. It ain't no doubt about it. But we need to be prepared. We want to be able to lock in your funeral prices. So we can do pre-need now, right? We can do pre-need. We also do final expense. Some people just want enough to be buried. We can do that too. But we also believe that everybody should have a minimum of at least $250,000 or more. You know, we got to realize our human life value, and that's where we come up with basically how much insurance that a person needs, right? So if you want a cheap term program, we have it, right? Because ours is loaded with living benefits like terminal illness coverage, chronic illness coverage, critical illness coverage, critical injury coverage, and Alzheimer's coverage. All of that on one program, even on a term program that's convertible. What do I mean by that? You start off with a term. As your income goes up, you want to get into permanent. We never have to ask you another medical question ever again. So don't get so hung up in what kind of plan it is. The last time I checked, all of them were going to pay when you pass away. So we have term insurance. We're not an organization that just has one kind of product and one size fits all. That's not how we do things. We do an analysis, we see what you need, and then we make the recommendation, all right? So we have term insurance as well. We have index universal life, and we have the fixed universal life. In fact, we are offering the #1 sold index universal life in the entire insurance industry, right? So you definitely want to get with somebody that really knows what they're doing. So yes, we do that as well. We offer mortgage protection. You know what I mean? Think about it. When someone goes to foreclosure, it's not because of an adjustable rate mortgage. It's because someone had one of the 4 Ds. Someone died, someone became disabled, someone got downsized, or someone got divorced, and that other party couldn't stay in the house. So we offer mortgage protection. And we even offer the kind that if you didn't use it, you can get all your money back. So ACA has all the solutions to your financial situations. We got it all, right? What else do we have? We can do disability. You know, what if a person were to become disabled, right? How long can a person go without income coming in? So we offer disability income to business owners, right? We got to make sure we got to protect our income. That's the best thing you got going for yourself is income, right? Income is the outcome that matters most. So you got to protect your income with disability income protection. So we got it all, y'all. We got everything. How you doing, Cherry, Monica? How's everybody? So those are the kind of things. We could even do tax-free retirement, right? You don't have to use your 401k or your IRAs. You know, those are programs that you got to share with the government. But if you properly fund a life insurance policy with a lifetime income benefit rider attached to it, that means that money will never run out. In other words, it's a pension, pretty much, right? If you set it up properly. We are masters of doing that. We do that all day, every day, right? So we ordered that through a universal life. We have whole life insurance also. We have children's whole life insurance, right? We have a whole life policy that you can access cash in the first 10 to 15 days. That is unheard of in this industry. But we have that available, and that's what we use for debt elimination. So we offer debt elimination where we can help people get out of debt in 9 years or less, including your mortgage, without you spending any additional money. So ACA has it all. If you want to get out of debt, you know, there are a lot of ways you can get out of debt, but we're talking about getting out of debt and building wealth at the same time with the same dollar. That's what we're doing here at ACA. We're doing it in a very unique way. All you have to do is fill out a form, let us run a report for you, and we can show you exactly when you're going to get out of debt. When I'm talking debt, I'm talking about student loan debt, mortgage debt, car loan debt. I just heard on the news the other day that this is the worst that car loans have been in decades. So many people are behind on their car note, right? So we got that, you know what I mean, where you can get rid of all that stuff. And I ain't talking about debt consolidation or debt reduction. I'm talking about debt elimination. Get rid of it for good. That's what I'm talking about. How many of you like the sound of that? Getting rid of debt. Student loan debt, I mean, is at an all-time high, and we cannot rely on the government to bail us out. We got into it. We got to get out of it, and we can help you do that here at ACA. What else do we have? We talked about term insurance. We talked about index universal life, regular universal life. We even have a product now, right? We have an annuity product now where guaranteed interest rate, 5.6%, guaranteed for 5 years. 5 years, 5.6% guaranteed for 5 years. That's huge. Guaranteed for 5 years. So if you want to hear about that, you can DM me or you can call me at 301-794-4290. 5.6% guaranteed for 5 years. And you don't need $1 million to get it, right? But there is a minimum amount that you need. But probably of all the things that I've said so far, the one that gives me the most satisfaction is that we can offer you a business opportunity to join us, right? 60% of our sales force are women. Women are doing it big at ACA. Men are too, but it seems like the majority of this stuff is women now, right? We have a legitimate, real business opportunity. You can get in this industry with us for less than $250. It's $70 to take a test in the state, a course where we have it discounted for $30, and then all you got to do is go pass the state exam. You can be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. 99% of this is done virtually, so you ain't got to do all that riding around like I used to do for years, going into people's houses and all that. You don't have to do all that. You could do it via Zoom, right? Fortunately, we got the companies that set up and we can do business that way. You can do business in multiple states right from the privacy of your own home and have an unlimited income, right? We offer advanced commissions. We do submit on advance. We do annuities. We do profit sharing. We pay out bonuses, monthly, quarterly, and annual bonuses. I mean, all of this at ACA. We got new agent contests. We got recruiting contests. And you name it, we have it here at ACA ever since 1995. So if you're really thinking about a different stream of income, if you work a regular 9 to 5 now, you want another stream of income, I'm telling you right now, this is the place to be. And I'm not saying that because I'm here, but the average tenure of our agents is over 15 years. That is unheard of in this industry. Unheard of. At an independent marketing organization, the average tenure is over 15 years. That's unheard of. So we got to be doing something right. You come here, you get treated fairly, and you can make an unlimited income. I mean, I don't know what else you can ask for. You can talk to the leadership. You know what I mean? And that's not the norm also either. But we are hands-on. We are the company that cares. So ACA is here to stay. We're going to be doing more in 2024. We're going to be more. We're going to do more. We're going to give more. We're going to inspire more. And we're going to serve more in 2024. Will you join us? Will you join this movement to bridge the wealth gap, create generational wealth tax-free? We got so many authors on our team, people that have written books about this stuff. I mean, we got phenomenal training. We got 5 different trainings going on per week. So there's no excuse about not training here at ACA. So ACA has the solution to everything that you could possibly look for in business, right? Very easy to get into, and you got the support. Hello there, Miss Garrett, Miss Foreman, how y'all doing? So ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you today. ACA has all the solutions. You need to get on board. This train is moving. We are doing an event in Dallas, Texas next weekend, next Saturday. And then January, we're going to do a kickoff meeting in Jacksonville, Florida on January the 19th. And so we're looking at doing a business overview session on the 18th, that Thursday. So we're right here. We're doing it. And we're looking for more advisors on our team. All right? So let's do it, y'all. I'll see y'all next Tuesday at 5 o'clock. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Bye-bye.